All right, we are at our Neans Flip. It is almost done. We've got a lot of people working today. I'm gonna walk in and let you look. So exciting. Most people are eating their lunch right now, but there's my shiplap fireplace. Yay, I'm so excited. Check out the kitchen. So the backsplash is going in. Hopefully today we've got, here's our mud room. It's looking so good. So excited. We turned that little outhouse, it's not an outhouse, storage room, into a study.
Oh.
Hello, you can wave. Hi. You need me?
We need more towels.
Okay, okay. That's the story of my life. Always more materials, right?
Well,
That's all right. That's okay. And then let's take a look. I'm sorry, I'm doing this little video.
oh, that's fine.
It's okay. Yay, it looks so good. Let's check out this bathroom.
I'm sorry.
It's all right. Cool. All right. There should be pictures. It's almost finished. Stay tuned. Bye.